Hi, my name is Gurleen Kaur and I work as a blockchain developer with Entire Solutions. Welcome to Understanding Blockchain, a beginner's guide. In this video, we will explore the basics of blockchain, its concepts and how it works. Let's dive in. What is blockchain? Imagine a digital ledger that records transactions, contracts and any other information securely and transparently. That's the essence of blockchain. It's a revolutionary technology that can transform industries. How does blockchain work? To understand how blockchain works, let's consider a simple example. A group of friends organizing a potluck dinner. Each friend brings a dish and writes down its details on a piece of paper. Now instead of relying on a single person to maintain this information, imagine each friend has a copy of the same paper. Every time a new dish is added or an existing one is modified, all the friends update their copies accordingly. This distributed system ensures that everyone has an up-to-date and identical record of dinner arrangements. This concept forms the basis of blockchain. Key concepts of blockchain. Blockchain has three key components: blocks, transactions, and consensus. Blocks are containers that store batches of transactions. These blocks are then linked together, forming a chain. Each transaction contains information such as the participants, the amount, and a unique identifier. To ensure the integrity and security of the blockchain, consensus is required. Consensus is the agreement among participants on the validity of transactions. Benefits of blockchain. Blockchain offers numerous benefits. First, it provides transparency, as all participants have access to the same information. Second, it enhances security, as transactions are cryptographically secured and stored across multiple computers. Third, blockchain eliminates the need for intermediaries such as banks or notaries, reducing costs and increasing efficiency. Conclusion. In conclusion, blockchain is a revolutionary technology that enables secure, transparent, and decentralized record keeping. Its potential applications are vast, ranging from finance and supply chain to healthcare and energy. We hope this video has provided you with a basic understanding of blockchain. Keep exploring the exciting technology and discover how it can shape the future. Thank you for watching this video.